I'm gonna tell you why I don't eat this tomato sauce, because I don't want to have heartburn and I don't want to suffer with all the other digestive issues, And how can I tell this stuff is not good for me? Okay, the first thing I look at that, you see that word bioengineering. My gosh, that sounds like science fiction, and who knows what they did over there. I mean, I wouldn't even touch this thing just with that one word in there. And then, the other thing that I check is the salt. Do you see the levels of salt this tomato sauce has? And you wonder, why did they put all the salt? Simple. They are hiding. What are they hiding? They're hiding that they use poor ingredients. They're hiding that they use bioengineered stuff that is absolutely tasteless. And so what they do, they put salt, lots of salt, to hide it. And then what happens when you consume this thing? Boy, get ready for the heartburn, baby.